Hi all, just wanted to share with you the navigation of the Google Doc that I'm creating for our syllabi. So this is what it looks like in Google, and this is an editable document, so if any of you edit it, it will be changed for all of us. So just a quick heads up on what we're looking at. The things that we're looking for you are to first load in some assessments to match the learning outcomes. Just anything that you think would fit with the standard that's covered in the syllabus. It doesn't have to be anything huge or groundbreaking, but what you type in here would be really helpful for our syllabus. So we've got those for each of the learning outcomes. I'll highlight all of them in this bright blue color so we can't miss them. The second thing, if you're able to tuck in some supporting resources, these are any of the articles, the websites, the links, the things that you use in your class that can potentially replace a textbook or that you use in lieu of a textbook. So that's about it. Once you're done, just shoot me an email and let me know that you made some changes in the document, and that'd be great. Thanks so much.